Everyone and welcome. Thank you for being here. We're excited to present our final project for the Object-Oriented Programming course. Our project is about University Academic Record Management System. The academic management system is built to address the complex need of academic administration in a university setting. It offers a centralized solution for managing various stakeholders and process within the academic environment. Here is our UML class diagram where we created 8 classes for our projects and established relationship between them. We have class like person and admin, student, faculty that inheriting from person. For our database schema and relationship, we have student tables that has student ID into auto-incrementing student ID. We have also faculty table. It has ID as primary key auto-incrementing. Admin table, it has admin ID primary key and also auto-incrementing. Table my course with course code as primary key. And we have grade table that has grade ID into auto-incrementing and also has foreign key like student ID referencing student table, course code referencing my course table. Payment table with payment ID, auto-incrementing and primary key, and also has foreign key, student ID referencing student table. Enrollment table with enrollment ID auto-incrementing and foreign keys, the student ID referencing student table, foreign key course code referencing the course table. The relationship between our tables are the student to enrollment, where a student can have multiple course enrollments. Faculty to course, where a faculty member can teach multiple courses. A student to grade, where a student can have multiple grades across different courses. Then a student to payment fees, where a student can make multiple payments. And finally, course to grade, where a course has multiple grades associated with different students. Challenges and solution. We encounter challenges such as user interface issue with net being frame debugged event handler, database connectivity with JDBC connection pooling for validation form input. So our achievements are we were able to get a fully functional OOP system with graphical user interface and DB connection. For future adjustments, mobile app AI-driven analytics.
And to perform the code operation, we created class data connectivity DAO for each of the classes. This is for admin. We did the insert, this the select, the update, and the delete. So this is for only admin class. We did the same thing for course, we did for faculty, we did for students, we did the same thing for all the classes. So to implement the classes on the UML diagram, we use OOP principles where we created a class. For each of the class on the UML diagram, the class has the attributes, the constructors, the setters, and the getters. This is the class for admin. We did the class for all the students, the faculty, the grade, the course, and all the class. Is the faculty class. It has all the constructors, it has the setters, the methods, and everything. Okay, let me take you through how the system is actually working, how the application is working. This is the first page, the login page, where you put your username and password. Then if you put the username and the password, what will happen to the database? It will go and check, compare the entered username and password with the credential one. If the username and the password match the credential one, then you can log in. If it is not incorrect, it will tell you the username or password is incorrect. You can also, there is option forgot password. You can just click forgot password. If you forgot your password, then it will give you a new password. You can log in with it. So let me try with admin. Then admin can log in, student can log in, and faculty can log in. If the username and the password is for admin, it will redirect you to the admin dashboard. If it's for student, it will direct you to student dashboard. And if it's a faculty, the same thing. So let me try the admin username and password so you can see. This is I entered the admin username, then the password, and I can log in. If I log in, it's automatically open the admin dashboard. You see, admin can add or remove course. Admin can manage payment, view approved student, add or remove course, remove faculty, approve students, and admin can log out if it's done. So let me press add or remove course. This is the add the course page. You can add the new course, you can clear, you can delete, you can update, you can view the courses. So let me just, you see, view the courses. It shows the different courses inside. I can also add course. Let me add SON, the postcode 123. Then I say add leadership leadership 2. The enrolled student, the number of students enrolled, let's say 45, and the faculty ID, let's say 9. Then I add, you see. You see, it says course added successfully. Then you see leadership 2, the faculty ID is 9 and the number of students enrolled is 45. Then I can delete course. Let's say if I want to delete pre-calculus 2, this course, I can select the row, then delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, I delete. Course is deleted. Then you see it successfully added the course. It is leadership 2, faculty ID 9 and 45 students enrolled in it. Then you can clear. For example, if I write this, I can clear. Okay. You can also update. Let's say if this course I added leadership 2, if there is 50 students instead of 45, I can just, and I update, course updated successfully. Okay, after add or remove course, you can also add or remove a student. This is view student. You can view all the students. These are all the students or that are already registered. Then you can delete student. You can, let's say this is row. Let's say I delete this one. Are you sure you want to delete this row? If I say yes, student deleted successfully. Then you can also add student, you can clear, you can update. Let's say if this student grade was not A plus, let's say the student grade is A, I put A, then update, student updated successfully. After student management record, let's go to remove faculty. The admin can add or remove faculty. You can add faculty here. There's add button, the clear, update, and delete. You can also view faculty. Let's say view faculty. You see the faculty that are already registered. I can also add faculty. Let's say first name, last name, the phone number, the email. Let's say this is my email, the username, and then the password, the department, let's say, okay, and the course teaching. Then I can add this faculty. I can add faculty inserted successfully. I can also delete, I can also clear. If I write, I can also view, I can update. So for there is also add or remove, there is manage payment. So the admin can manage payment. You will enter the payment ID. Let's say this is payment ID is the student ID is, let's say student with ID 9. The amount, let's say 500, and the date, I can choose the date. Let's see, okay. Then I can add, record a payment. You see, payment recorded successfully. Then here it is. So, okay, and I can delete a payment if I want. Let's say I want to delete the payment for this student. Okay. If I want to delete this payment, I just say delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Payment deleted successfully. If I want to view the details about the payment, I can select the row and click view. You see the payment details for the student. Okay, so next, admin can also approve student from a list of pending students. Let's say this is a list of pending students. Let's say I choose this name, this row, then I said approve. Student approved successfully. Okay, after approved student, admin can also view approved students. So we approved Fatima Ali here. So let's come here. We will probably see the name. Fatima Ali is approved. Yes, okay, it is here. It is approved. This is the list for approved student. Then if admin want to search for the approved student, you can just like write a letter that is inside the name, then click search. It will look for the name. Let's see, we try Z and search, or the name will see inside, then it will show you. Okay, so if admin is done, you can log out. Let's say we log out. It brings us back to the login button. Okay, so let's try another username and password. Let's say this, we entered this username and the password. Then you can log in. It automatically redirect us to student dashboard because the username and the password is for a student. Then student can enroll in a course. Let's say if I choose this course, entrepreneur, I should first enter my ID. Let's say I enter my ID is 4, then I verify my ID. Say ID verified. Then I can choose to enroll. I can choose the course I want to enroll. Then if I choose this course, entrepreneurship, then I click enrolled. It said successfully enrolled. Then here is, this is the list of my enrolled course. Then it appears here. So if I'm done, I can close. I close. Then I can withdraw. Okay, then after enrolling, the student can also withdraw if they want. This is the withdraw. Okay, I should first enter the ID. Then if I enter, let's say ID 4, then I verify the ID. I successfully verify. Then these are the course ID. Student with ID 4 is enrolled. It's the list of course. Then I can select the course. Then I say withdraw. I'm going to withdraw entrepreneurship. Say, are you sure you want to do it? Yes. Withdraw, successfully withdraw. Then it left the course that I didn't withdraw. Then after withdraw, student can also view the GPA. I can just enter the password, the ID, yes, and load the GPA. And my GPA is 8.2.80. Then after this, student can also take the balance. Okay, so let's try another username and password and see. Enter the username and the password, then I can log in. It shows us the faculty dashboard, so it means this username and the password is for a faculty. Then faculty can manage course and manage grade for students, and you can also log out. Then let's see how to manage grade, and it's open a new form. Then the faculty should enter the ID to check the course they are assigned to. Then let's say faculty with ID 4. Faculty with ID 4 is teaching Intro to Computer Science. So let's see how faculty assign grade. Then there is no student. In this course there is no enrolled student. So let's try another faculty ID. Let's try faculty with ID 1. The faculty with ID 1 is teaching leadership 1. Let's see if there is student. There's no student. So faculty with ID 3. Faculty with ID 3 is teaching pre-calculus 2. So let's see if there is student. So there is one student there. There's already the grade for the student, so I can clear the grade for the student. It's clear, grade cleared successfully. Then I can reassign the grade to the students. Let's say the student had B grade, then assigned. So to assign the grade, I should first choose the student. So I choose the student, then I choose the grade. Let's say the student have grade B for pre-calculus 2. Then I assign the grade to the student. It said grade assigned successfully. Then the student have grade B. Then if I want to update this course, I should choose the student. Then I change the course. Let's say if his grade is A, then I said update, then the grade becomes A. So we've seen all the cases where the username and password matches the credential one. So what if I forgot my password? If I forgot my password, I should just choose the option forgot password. Then it said me enter your username to reset a password. Let's say if I'm admin, I enter the username admin, then I click OK. It said temporary password. Then if I use this password, I can log in with it. So if I got the temporary password, then I enter the username and the temporary password. Then I can log in with it. If login is successful.